Hello ladies, it's still your girl again, Chifo. Welcome back to this episode of Get Classy with Chifo. So in today's episode, I'm going to be discussing 3 top body lotions that you can use to, exfoliate your skin. Now, these are exfoliating body lotions, right? So they address issues such as dark spots, uneven skin tone, sunburn, wrinkles, knuckles, dark elbows, dark thighs, and dark feet. So if you just have unevenness generally, or what is known as hyperpigmentation, then you want to stick around till the very end of this video, because I'm going to be discussing 3 body lotions that can help you achieve that. And I'll also be telling you how you can get the best result from using it, and how you can maintain the result after you must have achieved it. So the very first one I'm going to be talking about today is this one from Kojic. Kojic body lotion is an exfoliating body lotion. You can use it to prep your skin. So if you're somebody who has all those issues I've mentioned, you want to go for this because it has lactic acid, it has urea, it has glycolic acid. So most of the acid or formulation used in producing this body lotion would help exfoliate your skin. And so you can use like 2 to 3 bottles. When you've achieved your result, then you can jump into whichever body lotion you want to continue to maintain your skin or to lighten it the more. So this particular Koji is a very, very good exfoliating body lotion. Now moving on to the second one, girl, is this one here from Lighten. So Lighten is another beautiful exfoliating body lotion, but really it will just brighten your skin and clear dead skin cells. Lighten might not really tone your skin or give you 2-3 shade body undertone, like yellowish undertone. No, what Lighten will do is like a sandpaper. Do you know what a sandpaper does? You use it to brush and polish. That is what Lighten will do for you. So it will polish all those dead skin cells, clean it, and make your skin glow. So if you are already light skin and you have unevenness, I would say when you use Lighten, there's tendency you might darken, but really it will bring your skin up to speed after a while. Then you can get a lightening body lotion to use after you must have exfoliated your skin and you've gotten the result you're looking for. Now the very last one, girl, on today's episode is this one here from Glow Bliss. Glow Bliss is not 100% exfoliating, but again it can help to also take out the dead skin cell and lighten you. So Glow Bliss has the tendency of lightening compared to the first 2 that I have mentioned. Those ones are strictly exfoliating. They might not lighten, but they will brighten your skin. So Glow Bliss will exfoliate, brighten, and as well lighten your skin. Now in using all these body lotions, you want to make sure you're using your sunscreen, because they have strong actives that can get your skin irritated if you overexpose your skin to sunlight. So you don't want to, for any reason, skip your sunscreen. Another thing you want to do, girl, is that you want to wear heavy or thick moisturizers that absorb quickly to your skin, because these are acid and they have tendency to take up moisture from your skin. So you need to replenish it with so much hydrating moisturizers that have hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, glycerin, and the likes. I've talked about beautiful body moisturizers that you can use to get the best result. And then finally, when you have gotten your result, take a break for a while and then come back to it later. Don't use all these exfoliating body lotions for a very prolonged time, because they have tendency to thin out your skin and as a result irritate your skin. On this note, I'll be drawing the curtain for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Until I come your way next time, it's still your girl again, Chifo. Clack it!